Hi viewers, I'm going to make shrimps. To make shrimps, the things we need are shrimps, butter and oil, cumin powder, tomato, onion and ginger finely chopped, turmeric powder, black seeds, green onions, coriander powder, paprika, chili and chili flakes, green chili and dill. Let's start how to make shrimps. First of all, I'm adding butter and oil in the pan. Now I'm adding chopped ginger and garlic. Now it gets shallow brown. Now I'm adding black seeds in it, turmeric powder, coriander powder. You can get all these spices according to your taste. Chili flakes and paprika. Now I'm going to mix it. Now I'm adding tomatoes in it. Few drops of water and cover it for 2 to 3 minutes on very low heat. Tomatoes are cooked now. Now we can just mash them with the help of spoon. You can just cook it for 1 minute. Adding green onions in it. Now I'm adding shrimps in it. I'm just gonna mix it. Now you can cover it for 3 minutes. These are 4 ingredients you can add in the last: cumin powder, green chili, dill, salt and black pepper. You can use green chili and dill for garnishing as well. 3 minutes has gone. We don't need to cook a lot. Shrimps is almost done. And now I'm adding salt and black pepper in it, and cumin seeds, crushed cumin seeds in it. Mix it. In the last, I'm adding chili and dill. Mix it. Switch off the heat and cover it for 1 minute. This looks just perfect.